Are you using customer testimonials to build credibility, to expand your business? That's what we want to talk about in today's video and give you some steps to really leverage customer testimonials, build on your previous successes to build future successes. And so we'll talk through a couple things here. Trust is crucial in your remodeling business. We'll talk about the effective collection of testimonials, how to gather testimonials, strategic display of those testimonials, how to enhance engagement by using video testimonials, how to amplify the reach of those testimonials using multiple channels. We'll talk about some of the legal and ethical considerations of using customer testimonials, and then we'll talk about a comprehensive marketing strategy as well. So let's dive into this, getting started with customer testimonials and why trust matters. I think that's somewhat self-explanatory, but it's a good foundation, good starting point for us today. And so when a homeowner decides to remodel their home, they're not just making a financial decision, they are investing in their dreams. And you have to remember that it's not just a financial decision, it's very much an emotional decision. And the remodeling industry is unfortunately filled with stories of projects gone horribly wrong. And that can be anything from cost overruns to crappy workmanship. And so this makes potential clients naturally cautious when they are choosing a contractor. So building trust from the beginning is essential to overcoming this type of skepticism. And so testimonials are social proof and a confidence builder for that potential customer. You see, social proof is actually a psychological phenomenon where people look to others' actions and experiences to guide their own decisions in the context of remodeling. You have to remember, people make buying decisions based first on emotion, how they feel about it, and then they support that decision with logic. So in the context of a remodeling decision, testimonials serve as a powerful social proof, providing potential customers with reassurance that others have had positive experiences with your services. And so when homeowners see that others have successfully navigated the remodeling process with your company, their confidence in choosing you increases. And so what we want to do with that social proof is we want to build a strong emotional connection. You see, testimonials are going to help create an emotional bond with potential customers by allowing them to see their own needs and concerns reflected in the stories of other people. Remodeling projects are deeply personal, and because of that, clients want to know that their contractor understands their vision and that they can deliver on it. And so testimonials that capture a client's journey, starting with their initial concerns and ending with their satisfaction, can resonate on a deeply personal level, making prospects feel very understood and extremely valued. And so what you want to do is you want to begin collecting and curating authentic testimonials, and you want to encourage testimonials from everybody that you work with. And so collecting testimonials is the first step in leveraging them effectively. However, many satisfied clients really may not think to provide a testimonial unless you prompt them. So you can't just wait around for somebody to offer that. You're going to have to be proactive in soliciting those testimonials. So knowing when and how to ask for a testimonial is key to gathering authentic and meaningful feedback. And so the first thing you have to consider is timing. The best time to ask for a testimonial is shortly after the project has been completed, when the experience is fresh in the client's mind, and this is when the clients are most likely to recall specific details about the process. It's when they are most excited about the project and when they are most likely to express the greatest level of satisfaction. We also want to be thinking about the approach, because how you ask for a testimonial can significantly impact the response that you receive. A personal direct request, whether via a follow-up email, a thank you note, or a phone call, can be very effective. I find that a personal request in person or by phone call is always the most effective. It's important to convey that the feedback is valuable not only to you, but really to other potential clients. And then, of course, there is incentivization. You can offer incentives such as discounts or gift cards to balance, for these testimonials. But here's the thing you want to do. You want to balance that approach carefully, because incentives can sometimes lead to a less genuine feedback. I find it better to send something after the fact, not to promise it up front, but then as a thank you when somebody has given a genuine, sincere referral or a testimonial, to then send a gift basket or a gift card or something meaningful as a way of saying thank you. The most compelling testimonials are always the ones that have been given freely without an incentive. And then you could always say thank you by incentivizing that later. And I think that's always the best practice, so that there's no obligation to that. You're just simply saying thank you after the fact. So what makes a good testimonial? You see, not all testimonials are equally effective. So to maximize their impact, it's important to guide clients on what to include in their feedback. The best testimonials are specific, authentic, and diverse. So specificity is the first thing we want to talk about. So encourage clients to focus on particular aspects of their experience, such as communication, quality of work, how you address challenges. A testimonial that mentions that the team was always on time, communicated clearly, made sure every detail was perfect, is far more impactful than a generic statement like, great job. I also think it's important to specify what type of project they were doing for you. And so the reason for that is it gives the person reading that testimonial or watching that testimonial a better understanding of the scope of work that was being done. Authenticity is critical. Testimonies should reflect the genuine experiences of your client. You want to avoid overly polished or edited testimonials. They don't all want to look professionally done. That can come across as insincere. So real, relatable stories resonate more with potential clients. You also want to have diversity in those testimonials. Aim to collect testimonials from a variety of clients to showcase the full range of your services. So this could include different types of projects. This could include people from various backgrounds. Diverse testimonials demonstrate your ability to meet a diverse set of needs, a diverse set of demographics, and a wide variety of clients. And then you want to curate testimonials. So after you've collected those, the next step is then to curate those for your marketing materials. So edit for clarity. Ensure that your testimonials are clear and easy to read or easy to understand. This might involve some light editing for grammar or removing unnecessary details, but don't alter the original sentiment of the testimonial. You also want to have permission and think about the legal considerations. So obtain explicit permission from clients before using their testimonials in your marketing. This will build trust, but it also protects you legally. And then depending on your location, you may need to adhere to some specific regulations regarding the use of testimonials in your advertising. And then here are some effective ways to showcase testimonials on your website. Number one, place them strategically. So where you place testimonials on your website can significantly influence the effectiveness of those testimonials. So here are some strategic placements to consider. First of all, on your homepage, it's often the first point of contact for potential clients. Placing testimonials here, especially near your calls to action, can reinforce credibility at a critical decision-making point. You can have a dedicated testimonials page so that if they're easy to find, that they're all consolidated in one place, that a person can spend time going through those. You can have testimonials on your services page so that they are siloed according to service type. So your kitchen remodeling testimonials are on your kitchen remodeling page, for example. And then on your landing pages for specific marketing campaigns, you want to have some testimonials on those unique landing pages. Also consider the design of the way you present your testimonials to enhance their impact. Use clean, readable fonts. Consider incorporating client photos with permission, of course. Have images of the completed project alongside the testimonial. That will make it even more engaging, and it will add additional authenticity to that particular testimonial. Have interactive elements like sliders or scrolling text to make it more dynamic, or have video in that testimonial. And then you can categorize testimonials by project type, client type, just again to even more enhance the testimonials. And then, of course, one of the more powerful things you can do is case studies. And so in some cases, a simple testimonial doesn't have enough punch to it. And so a case study can be even more valuable. And that's a deep dive testimonial where you're going to dive into the project from start to finish. What were the client's initial, dreams? What was the outcome they were hoping for? What were their concerns? What was the solution you provided? And what were the final results? And this really allows the prospective client to follow the journey. And then with that, what you are doing is you are doing a visual storytelling. So you are combining the customer journey with before and after photos or before and after videos, and you're creating this compelling narrative along with the testimonial. And then you want to leverage these video testimonials for added impact. And so video content is a huge driver in today's social media platform and world. And so take advantage of video testimonials. It creates a personal connection. You can add subtitles and captions to those video testimonials so people can see, hear, read all at the same time. It gives visual social proof. Keep those video testimonials, 60 seconds or less. You'll get a lot of organic exposure with it. You'll get higher engagement with it. And so effective video testimonials are going to take a little more planning, a little more editing, a little more creation. Make sure that lighting is good, sound quality is good. Depending on your budget, you need to decide if you're going to do that professionally or you're going to do a do-it-yourself model. Either one can be highly effective. After filming, be sure and edit it. Keep it concise. 1 minute to 2 minutes is ideal. 60 seconds or less is going to get great organic reach. So you want to be thinking about that. And then where do you want to showcase those video testimonials? We'll put them on your website, broadcast those on your social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Put those as a playlist on your YouTube channel. And then even incorporate those into your email marketing. Run email campaigns that feature some of those case study components as an email campaign. And then you could amplify the reach of testimonials with your social media channels by sharing snippets as reels and shorts. You can create graphics that pull quotes from testimonials. You can run ads to those video testimonials. That's a way to expand that reach. And then, like we said, you can run email campaigns, incorporate your testimonials into your newsletters. You can run segmented campaigns to your email list. So people who are interested in kitchen remodeling, you might send them a testimonial from one of your kitchen remodeling clients who has given you a new testimonial. And then, of course, don't forget about your Google business profile and your other review sites. So ask your clients to leave good reviews on places like Google Business Profile, House, Angie's, Yelp, and ask them to talk about the services that they've had you do at their home. Kitchen remodeling, bath remodeling, room addition, ADUs. Have them put the information of what type of work you did at their home and then give those reviews. And then you need to respond to those reviews as well. Be very quick in that. Also, think about your offline channels. Put those testimonials in your printed materials, in your showroom displays. If you're doing trade shows, home shows, have those on your banners, on brochures that you're handing out. Repurpose those testimonials in as many places as you possibly can. So when we talk about testimonials, it's actually one of the most powerful pieces of marketing that you have. You want to leverage those as fully as you can in as many places as you can. Repurpose those over and over again. And if we can help you develop a robust testimonial strategy as part of your overall marketing strategy, be sure and reach out and schedule a strategy session with our team. We would love to talk with you and look forward to speaking with you soon.